In this video, I'm going to be talking about how does the GTA 5 stock market work. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The stock market in GTA 5 is a key feature in the single-player story mode. It allows players to make a substantial amount of in-game money, and it is going to be a simplified version of real-world stock market. It is designed to be manipulated by your actions. So there are two in-game stock exchanges. You have LCN, so the Liberty City National, and BAWSAQ. And you can choose one of these two to start investing. So the stock market available through LCN is offline, and its prices are influenced by the player's actions in the single-player story mode. It is the most reliable way to make money by exploiting the game's mechanics. And the other one, BAWSAQ, is a bit more complex. It is influenced by the collective actions of all GTA 5 players connected to the Rockstar Social Club. However, the most significant price change on this exchange are also tied to specific missions. So the main strategy to abuse the stock market here, and the most reliable and lucrative way, is typically investing around a series of missions that Franklin receives from Lester Crest. These are known as the assassination missions. Before each of these missions, Lester is going to provide information that hints a stock market fluctuation. For example, he might tell you to eliminate the CEO of one company, which will cause the stock of that company to plummet and the stock of a rival company to soar. So the general strategy is that you should save the game, invest all money of 3 characters into the stock of the rival company that will benefit from the assassination, and then complete the assassination mission. Wait for the stock of the rival company to reach its peak value, and after that is done, sell all of your stocks. For some missions, you can then buy the stock of the company that you just sabotaged after its price has been bottomed out. Wait for it to rebound and you can make even more money. It's highly recommended to save these assassination attempts until you have completed the main story, except for the first one, which is going to be mandatory to progress. This way you will have much more money to invest, leading to a massive payoff abusing these missions. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed, so if you subscribe you can help us on the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.